juice, guys. Ayan. The mixture of that is, half of that is the hot water, and then half of that is the soda, and the 3 lobes of ginger and the lemonade. So you have to try it, but I think maginhawa siya, like to avoid na kailangan mapatay yung bacteria ng ating ubot sipon. So try it kung ano maging epekto niya, guys. It's just an experiment kung makakabuti sa katawan natin. Ayan. God bless everyone.